What's up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Ang gulo na naman ng buhok ko. Ano ba yan? What? Anyway, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today I really have a semi-controversial Jordan 1. Semi because not a lot of people like it. I think it's super polarizing. Some people hate it. Some people love it. This is the first time I'll be seeing it. It's the first time I'm unboxing it. I bought this precisely because I want to find out for myself kung magugustuhan ko ba siya o hindi. So, tara, let's take a look. Let's put it on feet. Let's try out the different laces. And at the end of this vlog, I'll share with you guys with finality kung talaga bang gusto ko to o hindi. Also, keep on watching until the end kasi I gathered like comments from all of you on my Facebook page. I'll be sharing what people think of this as well. Pipili ako ng mga comments. And I'm also going to announce two winners. The winner for the Yeezy 380 raffle as well as the winner for our Realme Smart TV raffle. So exciting tong episode na to. A great way to end March 2021. Labo. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's do it to it. This is the first time I'm going to see the shoe. Sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Well, some of you probably already have it. But yeah, this is the Jordan 1 Patina. I think that's what it's called. So you have your typical Jordan 1. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I kind of get why people don't like it, but I also kind of get why some people like it. So let's just zoom out a bit. So as you guys can see, this is the sneaker. And para siyang, it's kind of like caught in the middle. It's like two shoes in one. Because this one reminds me a bit of the Shadow, the color of the Shadow, one of my favorite Jordan 1s. But this one though, this is like the patina leather thing going on that you see here along the mudguard and goes all the way up to the eyelets. And then of course you have the swoosh. So kaya pala. So that's why it's polarizing, because it's not like just one clean design, and that's probably why some people love it, some people hate it, because it is not, you know, super clean. Oh, and that tongue tab is weird. Guys, tingnan niyo, no? The tongue tab has this exposed stitching thing going on. So let me just focus the camera, and then, you know, parang this one I do not like. This one I don't feel at all. I think they should have kept the stitching on this one clean. But yeah, this one has a really funky Nike Air logo at the tongue tab. So let's set the right pair aside. Tingnan natin yung other shoe. So here we have the left pair. Oh, okay. I'm like, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so apparently it comes with mint green laces. So you have black laces, which are the default over here, which you can see, but it also comes with this really nice set of mint laces. Now, I was initially thinking of rocking it with the black laces, but now that I'm seeing the mint color, parang pwede parang pwede. So sige, what I'll do now is I'll put the sneaker on feet, and then I'll do it first with the black laces, then I'll do it with the mint laces. Matrabaho to, but it's worth it. And yeah, let's take a closer look. By the way, about the leather, it is really good quality. You can tell here along the side, the toe box, lalo na yung patina effect that they use for the mudguard. It's a really the overall build is actually kind of nice. So yeah, let's try it on feet, then I'll see you guys back here again. But by the way, let me know what your thoughts are. Comment section. Let me know guys, comment na kayo. Breaking news, before we get to the sneaker, the on feet, sabi lang ni Mrs. na may dumating daw para sa amin from the barangay. Apparently may ayuda kami. So guys, this is our ayuda unboxing. Oha, may paayuda si Barangay Green Hills, San Juan City, di ba? So tingnan natin ang laman niya. What's up? Ayuda time. Meron tayong birch tree. Meron tayong yakisoba. Meron tayong more yakisoba. Actually, ang dami niyang yakisoba. Meron din tayong mga canned goods. We have sardines, 555. We have CDO meatloaf. And meron tayong isang sakong bigas. Wow. And then meron din tayong 555 na corned beef and sardines. So, maraming salamat to our taxpayers who paid for this. But yeah, panalo, ayuda. Okay, so first up, let's take a look at the sneaker with the black laces. And for this one, I feel that it doesn't pop as much. It's neither near or there. What do I mean by that? It's trying to be the shadows, but at the same time, it's trying to be like a rustic, patina, elegant type of shoe. So my preference actually isn't this particular look, but I know a lot of you will probably like it like this. It's more classier, I guess, and simpler, and a little bit cleaner. But I feel that the gray part of the back, the nubuck plus the bronze patina brown at the front, just kind of clashes, and it's not enough oomph to be able to make like the statement that you want it to be. Now, the second style is with the mint green laces. And this where I think, at least in my opinion, the sneaker shines a little bit more because it looks so much better, at least aesthetically in my view. Because if it's trying to be clean, then it has to be clean, which means you go all rustic, all that brown or all gray. There's nothing in between. Now, if you want to go hype, if you want to go loud, then this one, the contrast is there. The mint green with the brown plus that grayish back combined all together makes it kind of cool. But again, that's very subjective, that's very personal, depends on your personal taste and aesthetic. But in my opinion, it kind of reminds me of chocolate with mint. So it's kind of like mint chocolate. So at least that's what I feel or see when I look down. And ultimately, in terms of overall styling, I feel that it's easier to pull off because it is meant to be more of a statement shoe than something that blends in when you try to go the black laces route. That's what I think. How about you guys? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Which is the better look for the Jordan 1 Patina. Now, at this point, I just want to read some of the comments that you guys gave in our Project 721 Facebook group. And then after reading some of the comments and sharing some of your takes, I will be announcing the winner for our two giveaways, the Yeezy 380 and the Realme Smart TV. So keep on watching, guys. Okay, so let's go over the comments. Now, pwede ko siya actually categorize into three groups of comments. The first group are people who find it difficult to pair with their outfit. So hirap sila isipin kung ano yung magiging look. From John T. Isidro, sabi niya, to be honest, no, the material looks good upon reviews from other sneakerheads, but the colorway is just hard to pair with certain colors. I like to pair my shoes with different outfits, and for this one, I can't see myself wearing it. So that is definitely a legitimate consideration kasi nga it's either near or there, like what I mentioned earlier. However, there is a second group of people who feel na sobrang versatile at sobrang easy siyang isuot. So, dun mo makikita yung polarizing eh. You either love it or you hate it. This one, for example, is from James Feliciano. I like the vibe. It would look good in any outfit, jeans, jogger, shorts. Mukhang hindi mahirap ibagay sa anumang suot except barong or formal attire. Tama nga naman. Kung sino man magsusot ito gamit barong o suit, ewan ko lang sa inyo, di ba? Now, there are other people who feel the same. This one daw sobrang ganda. Sabi niya, good colorway from OL. Gives you that boot type vibe, and since there's an uptrend with earth tone colorways, pasok na pasok sa mga athleisure aesthetic. Also, dahil mababa resale, madaming makuha. Tama nga naman. Actually, sobrang baba ng resale value niya ngayon. Meron din dito nag-comment, ito, si Glanod Ambag, Abmag. For me, it's a really versatile colorway. Parang kahit anong get-up, rock at least IMO. Sabi naman ni Flores, for me, looks so clean, elegant, easy to wear, rockstar vibe. So, doon yung makita yung dalawa eh. Yung iba, feeling nila sobrang hirap bagayan, pero yung mga sobrang natutuwa sa kanya, feeling nila super versatile. So, that just goes you to show taste is very subjective and personal. Obviously, wala naman tamang sagot talaga, no? So, it's either you like it or you don't, and ultimately, bahala ka. Kung trip mo, they go. Now, I just want to take this opportunity to give a shout out to Bricks Operario, who is also a sneaker YouTuber. I'll link down below to his YouTube account. He mentioned na ito ang way he would style it. Plain gray V-neck shirt, peak gray cap, black joggers, and then the Jordan 1 Patina with the black laces. Ito yung picture. You guys will see it over here. Bro, napakalinis. Yan nga naman, goes to show one way of wearing the shoe. By the way, may isang nag-comment din na feeling ko pasok dun sa parang boots part. Sabi niya, si Jeffrey Villamil, Sir Carlo, okay to pang daily use. Ito yung tipong colorway na babagay sa jeans and jacket. Actually, I can imagine that. Dahil parang luma ang dating, para sa akin, maporma to kung suot din pang motor. Helmet, jacket, white or black shirt plus slim fit pants. plus nakamotor. Wow, cool nang dating. That's a very good observation, bro. And lastly, the third group of people said that this can be versatile when it comes to lacing. So unang-una sa lahat, from Kian Guevara and Juan Carlos Rosales, sabi ni Juan Carlos, someone who has a pair, please throw some cream-colored laces. I bet it would make it pop. Sabi naman ni Kian, here you go, sir. And I have to agree, man, that picture, that looks really dope. Shout out, by the way, to his sneaker shop, Sneakify Manila. There's also this other guy who put in wax gray laces. Nasaan na ba yung... Ito, si IMM Pastor. Sabi niya, tried lacing it with wax brown lace and I think it makes the colorway pop even more. And I agree with you, bro. Your wax brown laces with the shoe looks incredibly awesome. So yun lang naman yung some of the comments. I wasn't able to read all. I think there are like hundreds already. Now, if you guys want to be part of the vlog next time I do a review, please do be part of our Facebook community. Every now and then, I'll throw a question there and I will pick a couple of comments and feature them on the episode. Okay, now that actually wraps up the review. Now, at this point in the vlog, guys, like what I mentioned, we will be announcing our winners for the two raffles. First up, let's find out who the winner is of the Yeezy 318 partnership with Soul Academy. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram to find out how you can get your shoes. They're here, it's locked down, but may grab naman. Now let's find out who the winner is of the Realme Smart TV. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you again via Instagram. Figure out tala natin paano ko papadala sa'yo or kung paano mo kunin yung TV dahil mahirap gumalaw-galaw. So that actually wraps up the video for today, guys. Please do watch out for the drop of our next merch collaboration with Sneak Attack. So this is one of the items in the capsule collection, which is the hooded sweatshirt. So it's all black. Looks really nice. Very lightweight fabric kasi nga mainit sa Pilipinas. You have our Project 721 logo, Sneak Attack logo, and if you take a look at the hood, even has that hit of orange over here, and it has this hidden dagger here on the right side, which is kind of like the signature of our good friends from Sneak Attack. We also have an Noragi jacket, tactical shorts, as well as a really awesome looking shirt coming out. All of them will be dropping on April 15. So make sure that you guys keep on watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can see when we will be dropping the merch. Okay? And with that said, I hope you guys all have an amazing, meaningful Holy Week up ahead here in the Philippines. Like what I mentioned, I will not be releasing videos for the next 3 or 4 days. The next time we'll see each other will most likely be either Saturday or Sunday for a brand new video. But for the next few days, pahinga muna. Reflect muna tayo and let's spend the time with our loved ones and of course, the Almighty. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Guys, I hope you all have a great, meaningful Holy Week up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, stay safe. Boom.